Hi everyone, welcome back again with another vlog of beautiful Medina. I hope all are doing good. I posted Medina vlog part 1 3 days back. If you didn't see the video, please do watch. Link is given below in description. Please do check it. On this video, I will show you the beautiful Masjid-e Nabwi. So don't skip the video. I hope you all like it. Keep watching. That day I woke up at 8 o'clock and I got ready for Juma prayer. Still, my husband and kids are sleeping, so I thought to buy something for kids for their breakfast. But here all shops are closed because it's Friday. They will open after Friday prayer. So I searched for nearby hotel. Then I got one shop and I went bought juice and puff pastry. Here they are sleeping. It's been 9:30, so I woke up my kids and my husband. Then I gave bath to kids. After their breakfast, we started to Masjid-e-Nabwi for Friday prayer. I already told you guys there is no permission for kids to enter into the masjid. So my husband told me to go and pray so that he can take care of his kids. I felt happy for that because I came to Medina 3 times before 2 years. At the time my elder kid was small, so I couldn't spend peaceful time in masjid. Now my kids are very close to their dad. They play and read namaz with him. See these umbrellas. These are convertible umbrellas. In masjid have total of 250 umbrellas. These are helps to dramatically lower temperature and protect against the sun's radiation as well as against rainwater. The material of the membrane is pure Teflon. It has long life cycle, non-inflammable as well as waterproof. And the umbrellas overlaps each other to provide maximum protection from the sun and rain. See these large fans? It keeps pilgrims cool in heat. Each fan blows 200 liters of water as fine mist water every hour. Here they are providing covers to put our shoes inside that and take along with us into the masjid. Now I entered into the inside the masjid. While entering I didn't take video because there is checking going on. Mashallah, beautiful interior.
بالعظمة والكبرياء والجلال أحمد ربي وأشكره على نعمه التي لا يحصى غيره، وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ذو الفضل والنوال، وأشهد أن نبينا وسيدنا محمدا عبده ورسوله المخصوص بأفضل الشمائل والخصال. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على عبدك ورسولك محمد وعلى آله وصحبه المسارعين إلى صالح الأعمال. أما بعد، فاتقوا الله تعالى بالتقرب إليه بما يحب ويرضى، ومجانبة كل ما يبغضه ويأبى، فالتقوى هي التي تصلح كل شيء في هذه الحياة وتنال بها المنازل أيها المسلم بعد الممات. قال الله تعالى: ومن يتق الله يجعل له من أمره يسرا.
Here I am drinking holy water Zemzem. Do you know, guys, Zamzam water is scientifically proven to contain very high levels of calcium and magnesium, which can help decrease fatigue and possess healing qualities. My husband is very busy in mobile for searching Hyderabad restaurants because it's lunchtime. Really, my stomach is growling.
Ammi.
What do you want? You want chicken biryani? Okay. Smile. Ali, look here. Ali, look here, beta. What are you doing?
No, no, no. No, no.
So, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. I divided into parts because I can't post all things in one video as it becomes very lengthy. I hope you can understand. Part 3 will be soon. To get updates of that, please do subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for quick update and share the link. We'll see you all in next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.